welcome to Vlogmas. So I'm just waking up. I'm ready for online schooling. Got my glasses on, got my head covered because I didn't feel like doing my hair. So that's the situation right now. I'm eating breakfast right now because I have to go on live at 9:23. But I just wanted to hop on here just because I haven't filmed an official first Vlogmas video. So this is going to be my first video. As I mentioned before, I'm not doing a full Vlogmas. I'm just doing like a couple of vlogs in the month of December. Just because I'm home, like I'm not really doing anything much. And I feel like it's going to be kind of boring for you guys just to be watching me basically just do nothing. Like I don't have anything crazy going on, and the days that I do have stuff going on that I'm actually doing something, I will put on my camera and take you guys along with me. Like for example, like I have to get some more Christmas gifts and stuff like that. I'm probably gonna go to TJ Maxx and a couple other stores, so I'll bring you guys along with me when I do that. I haven't even picked up the kids' Christmas pajamas, which I feel like I'm so far behind on the bandwagon. Just because me personally, I usually get that stuff already, so I feel like it's kind of late and I don't know if stores are gonna have it, so I'm kind of nervous. The kids usually match, but I feel like this year they probably won't match. They'll probably wear just Christmas pajamas, just different kinds, just because I feel like it's gonna be a hard time for me to actually purchase the same pajamas and find the same size for all of them. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So right now, I'm here on my computer waiting for class to start. It starts in like 15 minutes, so I have some time. So yeah, I just wanted to get on here and let you guys know. I also have been filming a couple videos on my channel, which are makeup tutorials. I have been filming a couple makeup tutorials, so if you haven't watched those videos, please go over to my channel and please watch those videos. Click down below and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm noticing that a lot of people are watching my videos but people aren't subscribing. Please subscribe to my videos. Subscribing is free, and like I said, I do makeup tutorials, hauls, shop with me, clothing hauls, vlogs. I do a couple things. So if you're interested in seeing those type of things, just subscribe to my channel. Leave a nice comment down below. I would greatly appreciate it, just so that I know you're enjoying the content that I'm posting. Yeah, and that's about it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's completely free. You won't miss any of my future videos, any of my future uploads, and you get to be with me and see what I'm doing here on my channel, and you get to be a part of my team. So why not do that? So yeah, that's what's going on. Yeah, so I'm not really doing much of anything. My daughter's on live, my husband's on live, I'm about to get on live. My son is watching the Number Factory on Netflix. Is like a number thing. So because like I said, he's fairly young, he's 3, so he's learning all that stuff. So I put that on for him in the morning while I get ready to do this. So yeah, that's about it, guys. That's all I'm doing. I'm just sitting here having my oatmeal, and I just wanted to get on because I know it's Vlogmas. December came super quick. I can't believe it. Super fast. I can't believe it's going to be Christmas already. It's so fast. And all the stuff that's been going on with everybody trying to get the PS5, it has been crazy. People trying to get the PS5, people standing in line like crazy. Stores are Emma's just talking to you guys when she's supposed to be in school. What's up? Oh. No. That's all I'm doing right now. So, oh, I also wanted to tell you guys about a couple channels that I actually watch for Vlogmas. In case you don't know who to actually watch, there's a couple channels that I actually watch religiously every year. So one of the channels is Life with Yvette XO, and I really enjoy watching her video. Her family is so freaking cute, and I just love her content. So I watch her. I watch also Juicy Jazz Vlogs, which I've been watching her for years, like since I first started watching YouTube, and it's so amazing like how far she's come. Like it's amazing. Like, you go girl, because your content, you be killing the game. You are killing YouTube right now, and I love your videos. So just keep on doing what you're doing, okay? Because I know vlog people that vlog, sometimes they have like days where they're down, or they don't know if their content is good enough. But I'm just here to tell you, it's really good, and you should keep filming and keep doing what you're doing, because a lot of people are really appreciating it and enjoying it, and that includes me. So yeah, that's my rant. And I also watch the Kavari crew. So Nazine Kavari, I watch her too. Her family is really cute as well. I also like to watch Megan Lee vlogs, but I don't know if she's doing Vlogmas this year, because I haven't seen any of her things up saying she's doing Vlogmas. Another channel that I watch is Paige Korean. I've been watching her for a little while also, and I love watching her channel as well. And yeah, so I watch a couple other channels. Franchelli Rodriguez, which she's like a beauty influencer that focuses on a lot of her content is on beauty and makeup and stuff like that, and she does a lot of hair tutorials, because she has curly hair and how to train your hair and stuff like that. So I watch her a lot, and I get a lot of my tips from her. So if you haven't been watching her channel, you should watch her channel, because she is extremely fabulous and her channel is dope. So you should watch her channel if you haven't. I'm trying to see. There's a couple other YouTubers out there. Shelby Triglia. I don't know if I'm butchering her last name, but Shelby, she does really good makeup, and she's doing Vlogmas this year also. So I'm excited to watch her channel or whatever, because I've been keeping up with her videos when she puts stuff out. So that's really exciting. So yeah, and of course another channel that you should watch is my channel, make_UP by Ash 87 is my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, please go follow my channel on Instagram. I will leave all the links right down below so you can be able to find me. And just subscribe to my channel so you can see me and my crew, my family right here. And I also have a TikTok channel too, and I'll put that down below too, so you'll be able to have all my social media links and you can follow me. Okay, I would greatly appreciate it. I know I'm just starting. I'm a small YouTuber. I started a while back, but I've just been having a lot going on, so I haven't been filming as much as I was before. But now I'm back on my game, and I want you guys to subscribe to me. Like, I enjoy doing this. That's why I do this, even if I don't have 1 million likes, 1 million comments, 1 million subscribers. I enjoy doing this. It's fun for me, and it's something that I like to do, so that's why I continue doing it. I know there's a lot of people who have negative things to say, but it comes with the territory. People are always going to have stuff to say, so that's something that you just have to learn to just take it or leave it, and just, that's it, because you can't stop somebody from saying something that they want to say. So you just ignore it and just keep moving forward. Because if someone has something negative to say about you, and that's all they're striving on is saying negative things, then that means that person is a miserable person, and that means that they don't need to be a part of your life if they're saying stuff like that, or if they're posting stuff like that on your videos or on your content. All you need is like positivity and stuff like that. So that's what I'm looking for, is positivity and positive people following my channel, and people that actually like what I'm posting and what I'm putting out. So yes, that's my little rant. So I will see you guys a little bit later. I'm going to finish up my breakfast, and I'm going to get on live. And right now I'm sitting here and I'm watching Shelby right now, her Vlogmas channel. So yeah, and I might film a video later. So that's what I'm watching right now. And I might film a video later. So yeah. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hi guys. So right now it's like 6:40 and I wind up going to sleep. I was supposed to go to the store and get a couple groceries and I wind up knocking out. I was so tired. I had a headache just from today and I had terrible cramps. So TMI, but I had terrible cramps. So I just finished having dinner. What we had was I had some chili. So I just warmed up some chili. So we had chili and I had white rice with it. So that's what I wind up whipping together just because it wasn't a lot of work for me to do. So yeah, that's about it. I am about to relax, sit down and chill and get ready for tomorrow. And that's about it. So that's it for today. My daughter has to change out her hamster's tank. So we're gonna do that. And this is the bedding that we use for him. It's the Katie Clean and Cozy. So we use this for him. So Petco, they didn't have a big one, so I wind up just having to get this one. So she's gonna change out his bedding. His name is Biscuit. That's his name. So he's a really, really cute little hamster. So yeah, so she's gonna change that out. And that's my son in the background talking. He's just talking. So yeah, that's about it. So tomorrow I will see you guys bright and early in the morning, and we'll probably make breakfast together and get everything together. Zach, you not watching Toy Story? Go ahead, go watch Toy Story. Go ahead. Go watch Buzz. He loves Buzz in Toy Story. So that's about it. So I will see you guys early in the morning. I'm sorry my vlog was like kind of boring and I wasn't really doing anything. But yeah, tomorrow I'll take you guys along with me to the grocery store, and yeah, that's about it. I could show you guys a little bit outside because I have some lights up outside, so it looks like kind of like nice. So I'll take you guys outside with me. Let me show you guys. So I'm in the back of my house and I'm gonna show you guys. The light just came on for our camera. These are everyone else's houses across the street. They look so nice. And this is ours. This is our little house right here. This is what we're working with. This set of lights is not working for some odd reason. I had to figure out what's going on, but like this is everything else. I have like these little trees up, yeah, and I have that little Santa out, and we have a little elf out too, but I don't have it out right now because the wind keeps blowing it and I need to get more stakes to like hold it down. And we have like a little projector going off into the house, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, I don't know what's going on down the street, but it looks like there's a bunch of ambulance trucks. Hopefully everything is okay. So yeah, that's about it, guys. So I will see you guys tomorrow early in the morning for the vlog. Hopefully it's a little bit more interesting. And thank you guys for watching. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Press the button right down below so you don't miss any future uploads or any future videos. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.